Hello, welcome to a new video of our video series IBM Power Virtual Server, The Essentials. In this video I'm going to demo you how to create a workspace in IBM Power Virtual Server. If you are logged on to IBM Cloud, this will be your starting screen, and then you have to go to your catalog to start, or there are different ways to start, but I find this the most convenient. You search for Power, go to IBM Power Virtual Server, and you come to this environment. You see that there is here an overview. You can see workspaces, and you can see that I have already several workspaces, but for this demo I'm going to show you how to create a new workspace. If you click on create a workspace, this will be your starting point. The first question that you need to answer is, where's your location? Will it be in an IBM data center, or will it be a client location? Your client location is needed for if you have an IBM Power Virtual Server private solution, which resides on your own environment. Then you go to the client location. Otherwise, you have to work with your IBM data center. And then on the right-hand side, you have to select which data center you're going to create a workspace. And you see here all the 23 options that we have around the globe. We have Sao Paulo in South America, Dallas and Washington in US, Montreal and Toronto in Canada, London in the UK, Madrid and Frankfurt in the European Union, Chennai in India, Sydney in Australia, and Tokyo and Osaka in Japan. Yeah, I did not mention 23 cities, but in several cities we have multiple data centers. As you can see, for example, in Dallas we have the 4, in EU, DE1 and DE2 that are the Frankfurt data centers. And this is one that I'm going to use. I'm going to select the EU D1, and then I say, okay, continue with creating a workspace. Then, of course, I have to give it a name. Otherwise, I cannot find it back. And you can make it part of a resource group if you want to. In my case, it will be the default. You can give it also separate tags towards that to easily find it back, or in ways of tagging it in management environments. For the purpose of this demo, I will not do that. I click continue, and then you already see also on the right hand side, you see what happens around it one. I selected AUD1, that's provided. There are already some integrated solutions are there available. As you can see, the monitoring, I have that as default in my account setup, so I can see the monitoring, what is happening on my environments, and also security is already set in place for me. And then in that way you say, okay, I picked that up, you say finish. You get an overview of what you want. If you agree, and then you click on create, and you will see that a workspace will be created in this environment with the essentials as you see here, and it's going to be provisioned. Really quick recap: a workspace is a virtual data center, as I always call it. It's the first step to create virtual server instances. You first have to create a workspace, and in that workspace later on you can create virtual server instances. So really have to pick where you want to do it, in which data center around the globe. You have to pick one of the 23s and then really provision it and set it up, and then you will see that it is set up in the location that you want, created by whom, in this case by me, and currently you see that it is being provisioned, and you will see that it will be active in a very short notice. So as you can see, it's very easy to create a workspace, just a few clicks, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching another video in our series of IBM Power Virtual Server, The Essentials. And you can see, while I was closing down, it's already active, so it was really easy and fast setup. Thanks for watching another video in this series of IBM Power Virtual Server, The Essentials. Stay tuned for more videos on this. Thank you.